once again, Steve Martin. Ride with me. We are on the Riverbanks Zoo Tram here in Columbia, South Carolina. We're going to the water park portion so our grandson Levi Avalos can get wet. What do you say, Levi? Looks like you're sweating a little bit. A little warm here today. 97 is the high expected. And we have not reached 2 o'clock p.m. in the afternoon yet. That's alright. It's August. Hope you enjoyed the previous videos of the zoo. We saw lions and tigers and bears. Oh yeah. The lion was not seen. Oh, we got some commentary in the background. No bears, sorry. We did see the tiger. That's fine. We saw monkeys, we saw birds, we saw whales. No, we didn't see a whale. Gorillas, rhinoceroses, and of course trees. We are almost there. Hope you enjoyed this little side trip. Walk with me. Occasionally we'll do a ride. Shalom.